PKD Nambiar is a political analyst. Views lean towards the BJP. Is now with us. Mr. Nambiar, how would you respond to this decision where Mr. Anil Deshmukh now resigns and says that I'm doing this on moral grounds?
Come on, what is the question of moral ground? If it could have been about 15 days or a month ago when the Sachin Waze case just erupted and that the whole discussion took place, we can still understand there is some kind of a moral ground. As you said, his supremo, the Sharad Pawar, was simply rallying behind him. And secondly, the politics can't be dirtier than this. I think all kind of moral grounds for being in power is being. I mean, I think there can't be anything worse than this in a political situation in Mumbai. I think this whole Aghadi. I was on your channel was telling that it is not Anil Deshmukh who should resign. In fact, Uddhav Thackeray should go. He was not in control of his own home minister, and his own deputy, the DGP rank officer, was blaming all these stuff. I think it's all coming within. And one day, जैसे कहते हैं ना हिंदी में, कहीं ना कभी जो सच्चाई वापस बाहर आ ही जाएगा. And this is precisely is happening, Sanket, in Mumbai. I think this government should go right now. This is in any how a government which has not in a good taste.
Sure. Okay, Mr. Nambiar, let me come back to you in just a short moment. Mr. Jha feels that at least, even if delayed, a decision was taken to seek the resignation of Mr. Anil Deshmukh, or he chose to resign, whatever the reasons may be. What about the Bharatiya Janata Party that has always chosen to brazen it out, that people don't resign, whatever the allegation may be?
So there is, firstly, I think Sanjay Jha would be knowing it, that I think why he's quite soft for Shiv Sena and NCP, I don't understand it. I think he's a former spokesperson of Congress. But whatever he said, it seems that his affiliation is coming somewhere close to the party where the Home Minister has gone off. But anyway, that is his personal choice. But one thing I wanted to tell you, this is a self-goal.
So why don't you, Mr. Nambiar, very quickly, come on, this is a personal allegation. Please be direct. Please be direct. You're saying Sanjay Jha is joining NCP. Huh? That is what you have said. I will get his reply soon.
Just coming to this point, I am only saying this is a self-goal. This is not somebody, an opposition has not blamed the Shiv Sena or for that matter this government that they are the one. This is completely coming from within the same ranks of the deputy of the Home Minister in a way, from the police. So I believe the moral responsibility of this government should go. The de facto Chief Minister of Maharashtra is not Sharad Pawar, and the Chief Minister do not hold much relevant in Maharashtra. It has been proven multiple times in this Aghadi that Sharad Pawar is the one who plays the major role. He is the final word, not the Chief Minister. I think Shiv Sena is not only becoming number 2, I would say Shiv Sena is becoming irrelevant. It really hurts, at least to a person like me. And Uddhav Thackeray, as a chief minister, is becoming a failure, whereas you said rightly, the COVID situation in Maharashtra is in its peak, and the corona was the only thing which was saving this government from the last 1.5 years. But I think even now the corona is also saying, bye-bye, we will not be able to save you anymore. This government must go, and I think the truth should prevail in every case. It is not only about this particular case. This kind of there is no parallel comparison in anywhere else in this country, Sanket, for such kind of a scenario.
Okay, Sanjay Jha, I want to come back to you. I want to come in.
I am only saying that where is this question of this morality right now? Is it the BJP who has asked them to, is the reason for him to resign? No, it is the court today asking him to, asking the CBI probe to come in and an initial probe of 15 days to be done. I think putting blame on BJP for doing their own mistakes may not be appropriate. I think that will be the political course. Right now, it is not the politics. It is purely a criminal charges against somebody who is from the government itself, a serving officer has given. So I believe that I think the time has come for all of us to move out of this, everything to be politicized. This is a clear case wherein there is so much to from the bomb scare to the Sachin Waze's arrest and multiple things. And you remember that Sachin Waze
No,
was
Mr.
also
Nambiar,
being,
as far as this case is concerned, this case is only a preliminary inquiry by the CBI ordered by the Bombay High Court against the allegations of Mr. Parambir Singh. It's not about, it's not got to do with any of the other investigations. What the Bombay High Court has ordered is just an investigation into the allegations against Anil Deshmukh. I think to that effect...
No, you're making a mistake. You have to understand, you correlate from the whole incident, from the Sachin Waze, who was supporting Sachin Waze. In your own channel, even the Shiv Sena spokesperson was supporting the Sachin Waze case. And
I'm just saying that this probe is against the allegations being made by, the allegations that were made by Parambir Singh against Anil Deshmukh. It is a preliminary probe into that, right? To that effect, in 15 days, I think that is why I said that this is, there's a lot of a political decision involved over here rather than investigation, because we don't know. We'll only know after 15 days what exactly happened.
So let that be
in a CBI probe.
Why Anil Deshmukh was not ready to resign about 15 days back? Then we would have all been saying that yes, he did the right thing. Today, when the court has to come in and say that yes, there has to be a preliminary inquiry by the CBI, then he is going.
Sure.
The only thing what we are all saying,
let's stop for a short break. At this moment, we'll be back with a lot more. This is the top breaking news story. Remember, there's a meeting which is